Happy Sunday afternoon there, folks. Stampede Valkyrie coming back at you again. Long time no see. Happy New Year to all those out there. Hopefully you and yours had a good holiday. I'm wrapping some stuff up this year with starting this year off, wrapping up last year with a beacon that should pretty much finish up all my beacon ray collection. What we have here is a 173. It's kind of like a Frankenlight at this point, where the guts are a 173. The base comes from some random beacon that was a lost cause that I've actually managed to kind of bang into shape. You can see it's not perfect. I did do some polishing. I guess I could re-chrome it, but all in all, not too bad as I come around here. The only thing that I've really done to this light outside of just a rebuild kit, like new gasket here, this is a completely new gasket, is just bang the brass base back into place. And I did manage to go ahead and get myself a reproduction tag and actually followed the mangled tag that it had before. Sorry about that. So that is the right one that I can tell. The other tag itself literally looked like somebody decided to let a dog chew on it, and I was able to decipher most of it. It was just that final letter, and I'll get back in here, which I couldn't tell if it was a P or some other letter, so I opted to go with P, as that seemed to make sense, knowing what I know about beacon ray serial numbers. But with all that said, it is cold, and people are here to watch the light blinky. So let's do some blinky, folks. Had some issues where the brush, when I was rebuilding this, just decided to disintegrate and fall to pieces. I kind of have it rigged right now, pardon the shaky cam, where it's not correct in there, but it is correct enough that it's carrying voltage, and as you can see, it's working. So in the long run, for me, I'd like to find a correct replacement brush for one of those bulbs, because eventually that brush is just going to wiggle its way loose again and it's going to stop working. But for now, it looks like the light bar gods are smiling upon me, and it's working. So the dome itself is new old stock. I'm not really sure where I got that from. I know that there's people out there selling reproductions now. This is not one of those. This is an original new old stock dome. I think it still has the stamping on the top. Should be an F3. Highly doubt you're going to be able to see that, but a good shot of the upper part and the actual 173 3 bulb for lens or bulb configuration. But that's it in a nutshell. I'm going to keep this one short. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. Let's hope everything goes well for everybody out there. Stampede Valkyrie signing off.